Vivo has launched its new foldable smartphone to compete with major brands including Samsung. Good thing is that the phone is made in India, but the pricing may not be well suitable for this brand right now. The Vivo X Fold 3 Pro has a triple camera setup with a primary 50MP camera that is accompanied by a 64MP Zeiss telephoto camera and a 50MP wide-angle camera. The device offers 3x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom. Also, the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform. The main screen features a great resolution, an E7 immersive display with a 4500 nits local peak brightness. Both the main and cover displays offer a 120 Hz refresh rate and support HDR10+ Dolby Vision. For the sole 16GB RAM plus 512GB variant. This foldable is claimed to be slimmest and lightest in India, measuring 5.2 mm when unfolded. Vivo X Fold 3 Pro comes in only one color, Celestial Black. So, what do you think? Let us know in comments.